All right, thanks again for checking into WeatherBug here on this Thursday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We are in, well, at least transitioning into kind of a high-amplitude weather pattern. We'll explain that in just a second. Late-week storm will be still causing some issues across West Texas and Oklahoma with some snowfall and then some snow from the lower Mississippi Valley up into the northeast. Maybe not quite as much snow as what we were thinking yesterday, but still some snow, and that would also go into some snow in the northeast. But a supersized clipper over the weekend is something that we'll be watching. But take a look at the storm system and see the snow still in New Mexico and West Texas. Those amounts exceeding a half a foot, lots of rain along the Gulf Coast regions here, maybe 2+ inches. And then on the northwest flank of this, we're still calling for some snowfall, but maybe not quite as much in Tennessee and Kentucky or into the mid-Atlantic region. But you can still see the heavy snow right along the border there, at least on the eastern seaboard. And then, of course, another clipper system diving in from the northwest as we get into Saturday night and Sunday. So over a 5-day period, we're watching those amounts of snow to continue to kick out here over West Texas. Lots of rain, 2+ inches, as I mentioned, right along the Gulf Coast states. And then just on the northwest flank of this heavy precipitation band is where we're going to see that snowfall. And then another clipper dives out of Canada, and those total amounts could be upwards of nearly 2 to 4 inches total from, say, Friday into that upcoming weekend. Now, the coldest of the cold is situated still well north of the international border, so we're not doing too bad. Historically speaking, this is one of the coldest times of the entire year. Now, the high-amplitude weather pattern showing up as a big ridge of high pressure in the west, then a trough of low pressure in the east. And in the west, we're going to see some mild conditions really start to develop over the last few days of January, over the last week or so. But temperatures, again, today not too bad. 28 Minneapolis, little fog, and a drizzle there in Washington at 45.